This is such a simple chili. And we're gonna start by browning the beef. Again, 2 pounds of plant-based or super lean. This is super lean sirloin. 93% lean sirloin. And once we get it in there and start breaking it up, normally I would do salt and pepper. Guess what I'm gonna do today? Look what just came to my house. My brand new wrappers of my 2 favorite things in the world. My 24/7 seasoning and my spicy 24/7. So the spicy 24/7, obviously, has a little bit of red pepper in it. So instead of just salt and pepper, I'm gonna do salt and pepper and cumin and a whole bunch of other stuff. And I'm gonna use this, but of course you guys can just use salt and pepper. So these are corn tortillas, very serious. Like buy some that are tough, not super thin. And then cover them with pepper jack and cheddar. And I put an entire bunch of scallion on top of this. Now, let's get to the spice. For every 2 pounds, we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of chili spice. Then, the 2 best friends who always hang out together on the playground. Cumin and coriander. Couple teaspoons of each for the 2 pounds. So 3 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons. Then we go down a little bit less of the oregano and pimenton. Look what's happening now. We're starting to brown and crumble. So now is the time, this is about the right time to start toasting up all of our flavors and combining them together. How good does that smell, honey?
It smells amazing.
Seriously. I mean, it smells fantastic in here. This is Worcestershire sauce. Technically, it has a little bit of anchovy in it, so it's not vegan. So just a heads up to you guys, if you want to make this a vegan dish, you need to substitute. Now we're going to add 1 onion, 1 large jalapeno pepper, and 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. And we cook that down. So now we're going to take 28 ounces of fire roasted tomato, crushed or diced, about 1.5 cups. I don't really count it. I just splash it into the pan until it looks like, oh, that's a good amount of flavor. And we're going to pick up all of that itty bitty stuff on the bottom of the pan, the toasted spices and any of the drippings from the meat. We're going to pick all of that up first with about 1.5 cups of liquid. Then we're going to add extra protein, extra fiber, extra flavor and texture with a can of black beans. This is a great combination because everybody can like this and get behind this. It's a little bit of beans, a whole lot of meat or plant-based meat, and a little bit of tomato. Okay, now we want this to thicken up a bit. Here's our dippable Super Bowl dinner. These are super thick tortillas, store-bought, and we're gonna start layering them around the giant pan, cast iron skillet, of our beef or plant-based beef substitute and black bean chili with fire roasted tomatoes and our special spice blend, right? Look, I'm taking the cheesy chips and I'm just surrounding the pan with them. All right, look at that. Not too bad. It's passable, right? Now, on top, I'm putting mild pickled jalapenos, so it's good for a group, no big deal. I'm just gonna finish out the jar here.